The purchase of the Mavic 3 for me was principally the Hasselblad camera, also the ability of the flight to be a bit stronger than the Mini 2, which was my first exploration into video work and drone work. I didn't have any issues at all with it on this particular flight. The home point was easy and quickly ascertained by the machine, despite being in a very remote location. It took off fine, its flight was fine, it was level, the horizon was very level. Return to home was swift and easy. It returned exactly to the spot that it took off from, and it actually rotated to the exact alignment that it took off from. I started off doing master shots with the drone. I didn't put it into pro mode, I just let it run, and so I've had to do some colour restoration work in the initial stages of this video, and I think they match the rest of the video, which is in pro mode. Really good flight, really good beastie. Can't wait for the updates in January, February. I had to have an ND16 on for this particular day because the sun was so bright, which is unusual up here. Anyway, for me it sums up for the Mavic Pro 3. Excellent machine. I realise there's a few things to sort out and a few downloads to come, as I say, in January, February, but I'm really impressed. So this is just about the Mavic 3, and I hope you like the small footage. Fionn Loch is one of my favourite spots to go, in particular this day with the blue skies, calm waters, calm day, icy cold though. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Bye bye. If you check out number 3 video I made from my site, it explains and shows in detail how you get from Pool U to where I am just now. I did take a couple of photographs using the drone. Don't know what went wrong, they came out in JPEGs, and I'm sure I had them set for RAW. So I've got to work more a bit on that as well. Anyway, I enjoyed it.